Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to find the contacts and what are the contacts on this website, segment, site members and the workflow. Start with the contacts. You can show or hide suggested for use section anytime here. So those are some tips and those are the members of your website. I am just a site member. I don't think so. I own the website, so you can edit it and give your members a rank or something like this. Yeah, we are not doing this. No, we are. You can adjust the emails, the phones, the address and label and click save. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.